Stone Special here, and welcome to another video in a long time ever since, but two packages have came, and I'm guessing they got to do with fidget toys. So let's do the first one, which came yesterday, and this one which came today. So it's meant to come around June 15th and June 26th, but this came before. It actually came today anyways. Let's see what's in this one, shall we? It's already been opened, but I haven't got a sneak peek, but I actually have a clue what it is. Yep, that's right. Lights. One second, guys. There we go. And as you can see, it goes like that. That's how cool fidget spinners are. Let's try the other way. See how cool that is. That's just insane. Sorry if I moved, but that is crazy. Anyways, moving on to this package, which I haven't not opened yet. Guessing it's fidget cube and fidget spinner. So let's. This is also open. I just wanted to close it, but that was used with scissors. So sorry. Can't get it out. It's so sticky. Oh, that's it. I'm good. Oh my goodness. Oh no. But wait, this is the gold fidget spinner. Actually, again, there you go. Keep watching this, guys. Still can't see. It's still lighting up. Okay, no, they're both switched off same time. Right. You can also unscrew this. Check this out. I'll put it on the cube. I think that's unscrewing. No, it's re-screwing. Also, if you think I'm doing a music video just on Rihanna's channel, with that, I'm actually doing it on mine as well. What? Don't. You can unscrew it. You can loosen and tighten it. Yeah. See, it moves. Alright, let's tighten that because I don't want to ruin it. Oh, look. Oops. Anyways, here are the bearings. Pretty cool looking fidget spinners, to be honest. Oh, there are the ball bearings. See them? Yeah, there they are. It's tiny little bearings. It's. Oh, I'm just putting them back. Well, I'll be back, guys. Okay, I'm back now. It's fully working. It's not going off. Now on to the fidget cube. The final thing is, I thought it was going to be rubber. It's actually plastic. One of my fidget spinners, which I haven't showed you in my YouTube channel forever, but I am going to show you in a few weeks because I bought it from the shop still. And so here's this joystick. Actually, that's the switch. Spinner, buttons, ball, bearing. No, not bearings, not even a spinner. These suitcase things. These suitcase number chain, actually suitcase unlockers. And the thumb placer, if you can see that. I'm not sure if you can, but place my thumb in there. Yeah, you should be able to see that. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. And also, I just got something to show you. Hold that door. It's the KLM passport holder. See? Told you 747 is a KLM international flight. Anyways, that's from the 737, so I guess I'll put that back. And I will see you next time. Oh no, that is terrible. I don't want to do that. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Good.